Okay, you gotta get these items. This is some garlic and you gotta cut up the ginger. So you get them going in that cup, some curry paste, and now olive oil. Okay, you gotta give that a zap. May have to put a little wine to get it in there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, you gotta get that pan hot, and then we go like this. Smells good. Okay, now you gotta put in the shallots. Now you see you're gonna cut this jalapeno in half and take out the seeds, and then you just take the pieces and put those in there. So next you would take the rest of your shrimp broth from the other day, put that right in there, cook. Okay, now you gotta taste this to make sure you like what's happening. Yeah. Of course, you're gonna want to do a little bit of fish sauce. Okay, we can put a little more water too. Okay, you're gonna need to get some coconut milk going in there. All right, get a bunch of water boiling. Then how about some salt? Okay, then you're gonna cook these noodles. It's only gonna take like a minute. Okay, then you're gonna pull these things out. Throw them into a bowl. There with some tofu on the bottom of that bowl. Okay, now in this bowl is some purple asparagus, shiitake mushrooms, and tiny bok choys. I'm gonna put them in there, same way. Okay, now add that to the nudes. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna take spoonfuls of broth. Put them in the soup, in the bowl. On there, now it's a soup. Okay, then you get the cilantro, and then there's the basil. And these are scallions. Now you are ready to eat it. You could maybe sriracha at it. I will. Laura will prefer it without, I'm sure. Enjoy.